Hello, buddy. It is a beautiful early March day in Michigan, maybe about 36 degrees out, and we're going to be doing a radiator change on a 2005 Mustang. Very simple and quick, so let's get started. First, you're going to need a screwdriver to pop off your cover plate right here. Just goes along the top, has body retainers holding it in. You should be able to get it out, no problem. But then we got these tiny little sockets. I will find out what they are. I think they're 8 or 10. But we removed the steering, power steering reservoir, coolant reservoir, and we might have to remove the air intake as well. And then there's only a couple bolts holding the fan onto the radiator, and then we'll lift out, we'll place a new one in. Simple as that. Let's get to it. Alright, so it takes an 8mm socket, just wanted to tell you guys. So I moved the coolant reservoir out of the way. I removed the power steering fluid reservoir. I got one more bolt, but I wanted to show you where the others are. The first one is underneath the main radiator hose. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's going to be right underneath it. Let me see if... right here, where my finger is. Hard to see with the light here, but you'll see it. Very easy to get to. This next one, right underneath this coolant, what is it, overflow hose, I believe. It's right under there. 8mm as well. Very easy, simple. And there's one more, I believe, on the other side I will get to, and then pull radiator should pull right out. Very simple job. You can do it yourself. The old fan out. It's very simple. You just lift up. Might have to wiggle a little bit getting out, but you can do that. It's really simple and easy after you get the 2 bolts out. There wasn't a third bolt on my Mustang. I thought I read online that there was 3 bolts holding that on, but there's only 2 on mine. Maybe there is one on like the 07, 08 models, but I'm not for sure. But I got the new one right here, and I'm looking at it. It looks highly identical. This one was getting a bad noise whenever the air would turn on. And I was thinking maybe because the bearing in it's going out, because it is a little loose, I can move it up and down really easy. I mean, it's not far I can move it up and down, but you can see there's play in it. I guess when it spins, it probably does something. But this one, harder to move up and down, spins really nice, and I think it's going to work just fine. Alright, so we're in. You have to wiggle around. I guess you could take off the coolant reservoir overflow hose. That'd make it a little easier. You could take off the radiator hose. That'd be easier. It'd be way easier to put it in. You could unbolt this right here, and then it would literally drop right in. But if you didn't want to take all that off and have to fuss about putting it back on, you can. Just bend this a little bit. You'll be fine. It will slip in. And then that side, just wiggle it in, and then it sits down in place. Really good. Perfect. Just like the original one. Don't forget to connect your piece back in. Put some dielectric grease in there. Then go ahead. There's the last bolt I was trying to show you right there. There's one bolt, and then the other one right underneath the reservoir overflow right there. Line that up, bolt it in, and then you should be good to go. Don't forget to put your power steering fluid bolted back up top. And your coolant reservoir, wiggle that back around, put it back over there. Then you should be okay to go. All right, thank you guys for watching. It will work. Bye for now. All right, so I got the fan running right now, and it's super quiet compared to what it was before. It's awesome. I am so thrilled that it's working as it should. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.